What's going on everyone, Vinay here and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be looking at this second gen LED fog lights from JDM Astar. Here's the box. Here are the specifications. If you look at what's inside the box, you see a product note. Here is your manual that shows all your installation instructions. You have for H4 here, you have for H11 9005 and all the others. And here is your warranty card. I forgot to mention that I have the H11 version. So here's the bulb. Each bulb has 6 LEDs, 3 on this side, 3 on the other side, nothing on the top. It uses sealed CSP LED chips, which is very efficient. The power usage of this bulb is 25 watts. It works between 9 and 24 volts. The brightness is 4000 lumens and the color temperature is 6000 K. This whole body is made out of aluminum except this mounting base here. It is IP65 water resistant. It has a 1-year warranty. This is all heatsink and no fan, meaning there will be no fan noise. This doesn't have a voltage controller, so everything is built in inside because it's that efficient. And here's the connector. I'll be installing this to my car and see how it looks like. So we are right now at the car and I'm going to install the bulb in this projector fog light. Right now it has a H11 halogen bulb inside. I will replace both of them and we'll see how it looks like later. So the LEDs are now installed and this is how they look like. Because this is a projector fog light, you can see there is a straight cutoff line. There is absolutely no glare. And this is the low beam and this is high beam.
Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight.
So that was the review of the second gen LED fog lights from JDM Astar. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.